We will also be able to include conditions inside of your chatbots. Conditions are a useful feature because it allows you to customize the journey that subscribers or customers take inside of your chatbot, depending on several factors. If you want to add a condition, just go to the right and press the Add Condition group. From here, you will be able to set up the condition to match all the conditions or to any of the conditions. So if you set up more conditions and the user only needs to match any of the conditions, then you can set it up as that type. If it needs to match all the conditions that you set, you can choose the All Conditions option. To add a condition, just press the Add Condition. And from here, you will be able to select all kinds of variations. We can set up a condition by tag, a sequence subscription, an email sent, delivered, opened or clicked, whether or not the user has opted in for email, SMS, select by opted in date by minutes ago, last seen, and we have a whole ton of more options that you can choose from. You can select any of the conditions that you like to. So let's go with a tag for now. Then you will be able to select the operator. So has any of the following tags or has none of the tags that we are going to select. Then you will be able to select the tag itself. So for example, let's say it should have any of these tags. So downloaded lead magnet or finished onboarding. Press save. And you will now see a good representation of your condition. You'll see has a tag in downloaded lead magnet or finished the onboarding. And you can add multiple conditions towards one condition group. So using conditions is a fantastic way to customize the journey that a subscriber or customer takes inside of your chatbot.